Welcome to 2025, a time where technology is changing faster than ever before. Understanding these new digital trends is not just for experts. It is important for everyone. The way we work, socialize, shop, and even think is being shaped by powerful new tools and ideas. Keeping up with these changes can help you in your daily life and your career. It allows us to use new technology safely and effectively, making our lives easier and more connected. Not understanding them could mean we are left behind, missing out on opportunities and becoming vulnerable to new risks. The digital world of today is built upon waves of past innovations. Think about how smartphones changed everything just over a decade ago. Now we are facing another great shift, driven by even more advanced concepts. These trends are not separate ideas happening in isolation. They are deeply interconnected, with one area of progress often fueling breakthroughs in another. For example, advances in artificial intelligence are making our connected devices smarter, and the growth of the metaverse depends on faster networks and better computer hardware. It is a complex, evolving system. This essay will guide you through the most important digital trends for 2025. We will explore 5 key areas that are having a massive impact on our society. These are Media Group, futuristic montage showing AI robots, virtual worlds, data privacy shield logos, green tech and IoT smart home devices, add at stock, add at distribute _equally, artificial intelligence and automation, the expanding metaverse, the growing importance of data privacy, the push for sustainable technology, and the ever-growing Internet of Things. We will look at what these trends mean in simple terms, using examples from everyday life to make them clear. The goal is to give you the knowledge you need to navigate this new landscape with confidence and curiosity. To thrive in this new era, we must be lifelong learners. We need to be open to new ways of doing things and willing to adapt our skills. This does not mean everyone needs to become a computer programmer or a data scientist. Instead, it is about having a basic understanding of the tools that are reshaping our world. From the apps on our phones to the systems that manage our cities, technology is woven into the fabric of modern existence. By learning about these trends, we empower ourselves to make informed choices and participate fully in the digital future that is unfolding right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most powerful forces shaping our world. It is no longer just a concept from science fiction films, it is a practical tool used every day. AI is essentially the ability of a computer program to learn and think. For instance, when you use a streaming service and it recommends a film you might enjoy, that is AI at work. It has analyzed your viewing history and compared it to millions of others to make an intelligent suggestion. Businesses are using AI to automate repetitive tasks, which frees up human workers to focus on more creative and complex problems. One of the most visible uses of AI is in customer service. Many websites now use AI chatbots to answer questions instantly, at any time of day or night. These bots can handle common queries, guide you through a website, or help you track an order. For more complex issues, they can seamlessly pass you over to a human agent. Practical tools like these chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated. For businesses, data analytics software such as Google Analytics or Tableau uses AI to sort through vast amounts of information and reveal patterns that would be impossible for a person to spot. Alongside AI, the metaverse is another futuristic concept that is rapidly becoming a reality. The metaverse is a term for a virtual, shared space where people can interact with each other and with digital objects through avatars. Think of it as a 3-dimensional version of the internet. Instead of just browsing a flat website, you could walk into a virtual shop, attend a concert with friends from around the world, or collaborate with colleagues in a virtual office. This is made possible by virtual reality and augmented reality technologies that create immersive experiences for users. The metaverse is already changing how we work and play. For remote teams, virtual meeting platforms like Spatial or Gather create a sense of presence that video calls cannot match. Team members can move around a virtual office, have spontaneous conversations, and work together on digital whiteboards as if they were in the same room. For fun, virtual reality platforms are hosting everything from music festivals to educational tours of ancient historical sites. These tools are still developing, but they point towards a future where our digital and physical lives are more closely intertwined than ever before. As our lives become more digital, the amount of personal data we create grows exponentially. Every time you go online, use an app, or use a smart device, you leave a digital footprint. This data is incredibly valuable, but it also makes us vulnerable. Concerns about how companies collect, use, and protect our personal information are greater than ever. In response, people are demanding more control over their data, and governments are introducing stricter laws, like the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe, to enforce better data security and transparency from businesses. This increased focus on data privacy means we all need to be more careful. It is important to understand what data you are sharing and with whom. Simple tools can help you protect your privacy online. A virtual private network, or VPN, is a service that encrypts your internet connection, making it much harder for others to track your online activity or steal your information. Using strong unique passwords for different accounts and enabling two-factor authentication are also simple yet powerful steps you can take. For businesses, tools like OneTrust help them manage user data responsibly and comply with privacy laws. At the same time as we protect our digital selves, there is a growing movement to protect our physical planet through sustainable technology. The technology industry uses a vast amount of energy and resources, from the power-hungry data centers that run the internet to the electronic waste created by discarded gadgets. Sustainable technology, or green tech, aims to reduce this environmental impact. This involves designing more energy-efficient computer hardware, creating software that requires less processing power, and developing responsible recycling programs for old electronics. Individuals and companies can both contribute to this green movement. We can start by being more mindful of our own energy consumption, such as turning off devices when not in use. Businesses are investing in clean technologies, like data centers powered by renewable energy sources such as wind or solar. There are also practical tools available to help. Apps like Ecology allow individuals and businesses to track and offset their carbon footprint by funding tree planting projects. For larger companies, software like SAP Ariba helps manage supply chains to ensure they are sourcing materials and products in an environmentally friendly way. The Internet of Things, or IoT, describes the vast network of physical objects that are fitted with sensors and software to connect to the internet. These devices collect and share data, allowing them to be monitored and controlled remotely. You probably already use IoT devices in your daily life. A smartwatch that tracks your steps and heart rate is an IoT device. A smart home assistant that you can ask to play music or turn on the lights is another. The IoT is making our world smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs. The impact of the IoT extends far beyond our homes. In healthcare, wearable devices are becoming crucial for monitoring patients' health in real time. These devices can track vital signs, detect falls, and send alerts to doctors or family members in an emergency, allowing for proactive care. Entire cities are also becoming smarter through the use of IoT. Networks of sensors can be used to manage traffic flow, monitor air quality, optimize energy use in buildings, and make public transport more reliable. This creates a better quality of life for everyone living in urban areas. To manage these huge networks of connected devices, specialized software is required. IoT platforms like AWS IoT Core or Microsoft Azure IoT Hub provide the tools needed to connect devices securely, gather data, and analyze it to find useful insights. For example, a logistics company might use an IoT platform to track its fleet of vehicles, monitoring their location, fuel consumption, and maintenance needs in real time. This helps them optimize routes, save fuel, and prevent breakdowns, making their entire operation more efficient and reliable for customers. In conclusion, the digital trends of 2025, from AI and the Metaverse to data privacy, sustainability, and the IoT, are not just abstract concepts, they are practical forces that are actively reshaping our world. Understanding these changes is essential for everyone. By learning about the tools and ideas driving this transformation, we can adapt to new ways of working and living. It allows us to take advantage of the incredible opportunities technology offers, while also protecting ourselves from the risks. Staying informed and curious is the key to confidently navigating the exciting digital future that lies ahead.